Welcome to Counselors Online Services, or COLS. This video will show you how to manually upload academic information for your graduating students who are over 21. To begin, select Document Upload Over 21s in the Service Links menu. Note: the document upload option is not meant for students who are Group A applicants, whose grades are sent in grades file transmissions or added manually through the Academic Information option. Your graduating students who are over the age of 21 apply as Group B applicants, so the process to connect their academic information to their undergraduate application is different than your other graduating students. Go to Upload a Document and select your document type. In this section, you can upload proof of registration, midterm reports, and transcripts. Add the other required student information and click Browse to retrieve your file. All documents must be uploaded as PDFs. Add the document you wish to upload and click Submit. On the document upload, over 21's page, you will see a history of all documents you have uploaded. You can click on the document title to view the uploaded document. You can scroll horizontally to view all of the information, and you have the option to delete the document in the Actions column. In the Sent column, click View to see details of where and when the OUAC forwarded the uploaded document. Your students can also see this information on their hub in their undergraduate application. The OUAC will match the document to the student's undergraduate application and forward it to their university choices. This saves you the time and effort of sending multiple documents to the universities. Universities will consider the documents to be official. You have now learned how to upload documents for your graduating students over 21. For more features and tips about using COLS, check out the COLS resource section on the guidance website.